Streetlights painting shadows on another night, another song played on repeat. The same old tune beneath this lonely, weary moon. My heart's been battered, bruised and torn since the day that you were born into my life, a hurricane. Now all that's left is pouring rain. I've built these walls up brick by brick to keep myself from getting sick of the ache, the constant sting. But love's a wild and dangerous thing. This is my last and my final plea against the tide that pulls you from me. I'll fight with everything I've got inside. No more running, nowhere left to hide. Yeah, this is my last and my soul's decree. Won't let this love just fade and flee. Remember whispers in the dark, leaving our indelible mark on every surface, every space. Now I can't find your smiling face, just echoes of the words you'd say that promise forever, come what may. The promises can break like glass and leave you stranded in the past. I've tried to mend what's come undone, but the damage can't be outrun. This battle's fierce, the stakes are high, and I can't bear to say goodbye. This is my last and my final plea against the tide that pulls you from me. I'll fight with everything I've got inside. No more running, nowhere left to hide. Yeah, this is my last and my soul's decree. Won't let this love just fade and flee. Maybe I'm a fool to think we can still pull back from the brink, but the fire in my soul still burns. For all the lessons my heart learns, I'm not giving up, not yet. This love's a debt I can't forget. This is my last and my final plea against the tide that pulls you from me. I'll fight with